Comfort zone is a cage. So today I decide to come out from my room and make a video in front of this beautiful lake, guys. You can see such a beautiful lake. And in my childhood life I used to came over here, and in my childhood life we just came over here to play, and sometimes we give drive in this lake. But though I'm not a swimmer, I don't know how to swim, but still with my friends I try to enjoy on that time. And on that time we also came over here to enjoy the such a beauty of this nature. And for this COVID-19 we have to wear this type of mask, but still I try to come out from my room, that means my cage, to make the video and in front of this lake. This is such a beautiful lake, you can find it, guys. And here you can watch, this is two boats over here, and there is so many things is there. Such a beautiful lake, and the net of the fisherman, they came over here to fishing in each and every morning. You can find such a nice things, and I just loved this nature, and I just try to sit over here in this boat. Oh, this is the tilting right now, but in some place there you can find that this is a beautiful nature. This is in our area locality, and my childhood life we all friends came over here to play football, sometime cricket, and sometime we over here came over here to just watch the nature, beauty of the nature, and for adda also, like so this is such a beautiful nature. Sometimes I have to open the mask because some lack of oxygen, I feel lack of oxygen, but still we have to wear. But I can feel the blowing air, and also I just try to show you guys, this is a beautiful lake. And we came over here, and in my childhood life I see there are so many things are there. They have some rabbits cage over here, but now we cannot find any type of cage. And people came over here, the couples came over here to pass their time, but now it's not allowed in this Swabhiman Park. But some people will came over here to watch the nature. And but nowadays we are in a house, we have to stay in our house. But whenever I get chance to enjoy the nature, I try to come over here and I sit in front of this beautiful lake. This is such a beautiful lake, you can find several times. I'm telling you, this is such a beautiful lake, such a beautiful atmosphere you can find, right? That, so I just show you, and the big lake. Those are the guys who stay in this area, they can know this how much beauty is over here. And beside this lake you can find there are so many buildings right now. The Siddha building is there, and beside this the lake there was a school. There is a school, girls school. So I think this place is such a nice place, guys. And if you feel you are boring in your house, and if you are stay near this lake, so you can come over here and enjoy the beauty of this nature, guys. And because the COVID-19 situation, we people are staying our house, and we are not getting so much time to for outing. We're not able to go the other place, the Digha, Puri, and the Bengalis, Tipuda, Digha, Puri and Darjeeling. but uh, you can use this place for your time pass, and also to love the also to feel the beauty of this nature. And this is the place where I used to came over here, and I think my room is a cage, and so that I came over here. I come out from my room to make this video, and I also try to show you guys this is such a beautiful place where people came over here, sit over here and feel the nature, the beautiful nature. We can find there are so many birds, and sometimes we see there are so many fishes are dancing in this river. So many people are sitting over here for gossip, for adda, and you can find over again. I can show you there is a boat. Just now I'm sitting on this boat. It's a boat, I think, and I love this nature, guys. We have to come out from our room because nowadays we are not getting so much time. We are feeling bored in our house, and so we have to get some time for ourselves. We have to love ourselves, think positive, because we see people, those who are staying their house, staying their room, they feel boring. They always think some negative things, but you have to let go of all those negative things. You have to forget all those negative things. You have to remove all those negative things in your life. Think positive, love nature, love yourself also, guys. If you want to get the success, then you have to love yourself first. Then of course definitely you have to love the nature also, because nature teach you so many things, and you have to you can see the beauty of the nature. And just now I see the blow of the air, I feel, and sometimes I feel also the lack of oxygen. But still, guys, I'm telling you, you have to wear this mask whenever you come out from your room to prevent the COVID-19, right? Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. And one thing, if you love this video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and also please press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you can notify, right? Thank you.